Dr. Arslan. I had a really good experience. They took care of me from the beginning, from the airport in New York to Turkey, and made sure I got to the hotel. And then in the morning we went for the consultation, and we were realistic about what we could do. And they gave me a very good hairline. The procedure was a little bit painful in the beginning, but then afterwards it was much better. And after it was done, I went back to the hotel, relaxed a little bit, and took the medication that they told me to take, and everything's been good. They got us. They're getting me back to the airport now, and I didn't have to worry about anything except for just concentrating on what had to be done, and I'm really looking forward to the progress over the next few months. Thank you again.